Hey, Ryan from Combat Off-Road back again in the driveway. We want to show you our highly anticipated doors, the full metal jacket door for the JL. This will be the fronts. We're going to do an unboxing, 25-1036. So look forward to that and stay tuned and we'll take everything out and show you what you get. All right, the moment I've been waiting for, which hopefully you've been waiting for, we're going to unbox these JL front doors. All right, so let's do that. Let you guys know what you get in the box. Lots of foam for extra activities later. Keeps the doors nice and safe. So let's get rid of the foam. You're gonna definitely have two doors, but we're gonna take one out right now. Okay, so that's what your front door is going to look like for the JL. So nice armrest here, nice and wide. Pretty cool. We got the holes all pre-drilled for the rugged ridge and the best top soft half uppers. So you can just toss those on there. We've got our OEM style hinges. Got our limiting strap ready to go. Got our removable logo. If you want to theme paint that guy. All the hardware is black coated stainless steel. We got our little handle there to open it up. Get to the other side. We're going to have our interior storage pocket, whole interior panel. We got a handle to open from the inside. We have bumpers and our latch, cable-driven latches to bumpers. We got a bottom bumper here too, pretty cool. Keeps the door nice and tight. So these guys are for your mirrors. So you're gonna get a nice factory style mirror, ready to go. Simply locate it. You're gonna bolt that guy on. You're gonna get two doors, two mirrors, and this hardware pack. So the hardware pack is going to be two interior handles, the hardware for the mirrors, hardware for the handles, and if you really want to use security bolts, it's included too. I never use these. It's kind of up to you. They're in there if you want. Just be mindful. They're, get a little lube on there and don't over tighten them. They don't really need much, okay? So basically, just to show you, that's going to be your handle. It's going to mount right there. So if you feel like you need the interior handle, feel free to mount that. And that's the door in a nutshell or in a giant box. So pretty awesome. We've been working on these for a long time and really excited to release them to you guys. So yeah, can't wait to see them on some cool Jeeps.